Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can export MYWHOOSH workout. So let's get right into it. Now first of all, head over to the mywhoosh.com website and logged in. Then you will see here at the top right corner your logo. Click on it just like that and then go to the view profile. Now head over here to the activities right here and you will see your rights listed down below here. So just like that, you will see here your workouts. Now simply what you can do is just here you will see download section, and if you click on it, just wait a little bit of time, few seconds, and then you will see the file .fit file, which you can then upload to any device you want, to your Garmin, for example. And that's it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.